Today we are in the glorious area of Cotford, St Luke, to see number 4 St Luke's Mews, which is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property with garage and driveway, downstairs loo, lovely big rooms. It's immaculate throughout, lots of upgrades by the current owner. The area itself is a little cul-de-sac, stone's throw from the Co-op shop and the Chapel Bar and Restaurant. It's a gem. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Thank you very much for allowing me to show you around Thimble Hall today. If you would like to book a viewing or would like me to come and value your own home, please do get in touch and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much.